Welcome to this tutorial on why use Revolut Integrations. Revolut is a popular financial platform that offers a range of services including current accounts, credit cards, and foreign exchange. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is its ability to integrate with other apps and services, making it a powerful tool for managing your finances. To start with, let's look at what Revolut integrations are. Essentially, they allow you to connect your Revolut account to other apps and services, enabling you to access a wider range of features and functionality. For example, you can integrate Revolut with accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, making it easier to track your expenses and manage your finances. Using Revolut integrations can bring a number of benefits. Firstly, it can help you streamline your financial management, saving you time and effort. By automating tasks such as expense tracking and invoicing, you can focus on more important things. Additionally, Revolut integrations can help you make more informed financial decisions by providing you with real-time data and insights. Another key benefit of using Revolut integrations is that they can help you stay organized. By connecting your Revolut account to other apps and services, you can access all of your financial information in one place, making it easier to keep track of your spending and stay on top of your finances. In terms of practical examples, let's consider a small business owner who uses Revolut to manage their company's finances. By integrating Revolut with an accounting app, they can automatically track their expenses and generate invoices, making it easier to manage their cash flow. Similarly, an individual who uses Revolut to manage their personal finances can integrate it with a budgeting app, helping them stay on top of their spending and achieve their financial goals. Best practices for using Revolut integrations include starting with a clear understanding of your financial goals and objectives. This will help you identify the most relevant integrations for your needs and ensure that you get the most out of the service. It's also important to regularly review and update your integrations to ensure that they continue to meet your evolving needs. In conclusion, Revolut integrations offer a powerful way to manage your finances by providing access to a wider range of features and functionality. By streamlining your financial management, providing real-time data and insights, and helping you stay organized, Revolut integrations can help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're an individual or a business, using Revolut integrations can bring a number of benefits and is definitely worth considering.